batsman getting ready to face his first ball.
That is brilliant work by the wicketkeeper, and he has got the batsman out-stumped. He is taking a long walk towards the pavilion. As he got in there, they look confident, and the umpire goes upstairs. That looks close. Lightning quick work by the keeper. Waiting for the decision on the big screen, and that is out. He is arguably one of the best hitters in world cricket. White ball signaled by the umpire. The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to this field. He had no option but to go for it at this stage of the match. Trying to up the run rate there, a very loose shot in the end. Oh, that's huge. It's disappeared way into the stands. That is a very good shot. Excellent placement and timing. Here we go. Wonder where the next one is going to fly. Missed that completely. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. Oh, didn't have a clue about that one. He had no option but to go for it at this stage of the match. Plays and misses. Inform fast bowler into the attack now. Expect some serious chin music. Batsman getting ready to face his first ball. That was a quick single. Chance of a run out, and that's out. Has to walk back to the pavilion. He has run him out quite brilliantly. That was such a waste of a wicket. Bowled in, the stumps go for a toss.